So yan nga guys.
Ayan.
Uwi na kami.
Nabili na kami ng ating bibiliin.
Lutuin namin ngayon guys. Ayan na yung totoong adobo ngayon.
Habang tayo naglalakad, ipakita natin nating ininom.
Try nga natin itong uminom ng ganito.
Lasi.
Lasi, ano yung lasi?
Lasi, ano? Nakalagay, sweet, laban, pinaglaban. Pero sa huli, hindi.
So, yan guys.
Dito na lang tayo mag-drink.
Habang naglalakad tayo.
Tingnan na natin, Pat.
Oo.
Shoutout nga pala sa mga followers ni Kumpat.
Yan guys.
Yan o, ganda rito. Mainit.
Pero tignan mo.
Hindi naman siya total mainit. Kasi kung hiyang ka talaga sa pagdating mo sa labas, paglabas mo mainit. Pero mapipil mo init eh. Kapag medyo medyo salubong natin sa tayo kami dapat.
Mukhang nasa gitna na tayo. So ayan guys, update namin kayo pagka nandun na kami.
Ang ating day of day.
Magluluto ulit.
Luto tayo ng adobo.
Okay.
Adobong with laban. Sweet. Okay guys.
Okay. So yan guys, magluluto na tayo.
I'm going vlogging.
Guys, dito na nga tayo. Umpisa natin ng magluto.
Nasaan yung
Kasi paring Jesus Statham. Jesus Statham.
Cooking time. Brad, yung ano mo pala? Hingi ako ng lagay na.
Sige pa.
Ha? Oh, sis Brad.
What?
Compadre channel, vlogging.
What?
Compadre channel, vlogging. The name?
500 channel?
Yeah, Compadre channel, vlogging.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Go outside, no better?
Yeah, going outside.
Very hot.
Very hot. Yes.
Yeah, better go to this one and place it. That one?
Yes. Cooking time.
Guys, umpisa na tayo magluto.
Magluto. Manok tayo.
Kahit na yung manok.
Nawala yung manok. Papi na chicken.
Only ginger, huh?
Only ginger. Only ginger and this one.
Ginger soup
Garlic.
today, huh?
Yeah, this one. No,
Ginger
adobo.
garlic soup today.
It's ginger.
So guys,
This one is today is
going
Portuguese.
to make our best chef. Name is what's your name? I forget.
Mapi.
No, name.
Never mind. Jomar?
Name is Jomar is going to make ginger soup.
Ginger soup. Only ginger. Okay, Mapi water.
Yeah, hot water. And the co-chef, his name is what? Kumpat, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the best chef. What? Jomar. Before they were also talking, no, here. See there. Don't use me. If you don't know
How to clean me.
how to clean table also talking here.
Don't use me if you don't know how to play. Ha? Di ba naka-play?
Hindi na kami pag
Naka-play?
what clean?
Ito video.
Parang you will kill,
Nakapin.
Okay.
Guys,
Cooking time. Ating luya. Too much hot here.
Very hot.
Yes.
Open your throat. Parang may sexy body, ha?
Very hot na. Too much tummy ha. Too much tummy. Too much tummy ha.
Very hot, sexy body here, huh? What's it that?
Because eating ginger only. Eating ginger, okay? Only eating ginger. No chicken.
Eat only ginger and make sexy body like him.
Yeah.
Six pack, full pack.
No,
18 pack, huh?
18 pack. 18 pound.
18
How
wings.
come
Yeah, 18 wings, this one, 18 wings. Okay.
Gamay mo pa ta.
Ha?
Gamay mo yung
Sibuyas. Sibuyas. Adobo. You know adobo?
I know.
Yeah, adobo, huh? Adobo ginger roll. No chicken, only adobo. Okay? Day of today?
Adobo with chicken. Chicken adobo with chicken.
Yeah, adobo with chicken. Okay? This one good.
Best chef in the world, huh?
Sheep.
Best chef in the world.
That's it. What's it? What is your sheep? Closer. What's it?
Best chef in the world, huh? Name is Jomar.
No problem. You forgot my name. You forgot my name, huh? You, huh?
And the co-chef name is
Compadre.
what name?
Compadre, yes. The Compadre channel. Okay? It's on Compadre channel for cooking.
So, pre, ah.
Cooking adobo. Cooking adobo. Guys, let's cooking adobo now.
Eh, if you buy 1 kilo chicken there, no?
Let's
If
cook.
you buy 1 kilo, you have pre cooking oil.
Let's cook for adobo.
Today let's see how to cook this one. Obodo.
Yeah.
Obodo or adobo?
Ano ang bodo?
In bodo, in bodo.
In bodo? This one in bodo in Philippines already makler, okay? This one in bodo. This one adobo, not in bodo.
Oh, okay.
Okay? This one food, okay? Not material.
Adobo.
Adobo. Let's see.
Yeah.
Chicken adobo.
The
Chicken
guys is
adobo.
called what's called?
This one is onion. Onion. This one garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic from?
Yeah, garlic from Philippines.
You got.
Yeah, this is
Very
from
Philippines.
American, bro. Yeah.
That's why expensive, huh?
Sleep na, ha?
Next.
Sleep it, okay?
Next.
Next time, you cook
Next what?
curry.
Curry?
Yeah.
Curry? What curry?
Curry, chicken curry.
Okay, next time he will make for us chicken curry.
Yeah, chicken curry.
Chicken
From
curry.
from Sri Lanka.
Vegetables
From
curry
Nepal.
also.
Huh?
Vegetables curry.
Yeah, this one good. You're the master one, this one. Also on your home, you clock in, clock out, okay? At,
Dapat.
okay na yan?
You're chopping board.
Yeah, champion board.
Yeah.
This guy. This guy, Caro.
You need
Tayo ng adobo ngayon. At ito yung ating sibuyas, mga regado. At ating luya.
Guys, umpisa na natin.
Let's start now.
Two person, huh?
Yeah, let's start now.
Let's start now.
Ready coming arin, okay?
Chef and co-chef.
Yes.
Try your hand, huh?
Snappy! This guy. No, another knife. See?
You got good camera, huh?
This one good camera.
Okay.
This one very nice.
Then GoPro.
GoPro.
Let's see.
You know GoPro?
GoPro.
Yeah. He go already. He
Okay.
go already. That's why GoPro. Huh? I see your kabayan before.
Where?
How much this one? How much eating? Eating.
Eating only?
Yeah, so much eating.
Where Jomar?
Sometimes I go there.
Jomar is this waiting for you.
Doing some, Jomar is alive, okay?
Okay. Waiting for you also, huh?
Okay? Hindi ka pa.
Guys, umpisa na natin.
Cooking time.
Natin,
One
guys.
gallon. 1 gallon of mantika. Filter. Yeah, you know filter?
Yeah.
Ulaw.
Transfer all oil.
Ulaw.
Lalagyan muna natin ng mantika.
Mantika. Oh,
Yan.
fire. Okay.
Our stove is very high technology.
Yung ricado natin guys, yan.
Your hand, please.
Food safety.
Ayan guys. Unahin natin ilagay yung ano.
Starting for the, what the name is that? I forgot the name. Also, same thing. I forgot my name, okay?
Garlic muna guys.
Garlic. Yes! Start now!
Sibuyas. Ayan. Nangangamoy ano na. Bawang.
Okay. Si adobo ha? Adobo.
Mabango.
Good smell.
Good smell? Okay.
Good smell
Let's
now.
continue.
Pagkatsaga pagluluto. Kaya nagdag ko. Okay.
Yan yung luya.
Oh.
Best chef in the world, huh? This guy.
Bestseller.
Best chef,
Bestseller. Okay.
Ayan guys. Isa natin yung mga ano. Condiments.
Yeah, condiments.
Ito yung chick. Ano?
Food safety.
Food safety. No gloves.
Nablit namin kayo guys pag naluto na.
Ayan.
Uy, mainit pa.
Ayan o.
Ayan o. Adobo na yan pa da.
Adobo. May toyo.
Nahuli din namin yung manok guys. Kung nakaraan, itlog lang yung nanon.
Itlog yung nahuli namin eh. Itlog yung ating nahuli na nakaraan. Nakachempo tayo ng nakadapo. Nakadapong adobo.